Greetings, curious explorers. Today, we're about to embark on a captivating journey through time and history. Join me as we delve into the awe-inspiring beauty of the pyramids, these monumental structures that have fascinated generations for millennia. Let's unlock the secrets and unravel the unparalleled beauty that lies within. Our story begins in ancient Egypt, where the pyramids were erected as tombs for pharaohs and their consorts. These incredible structures reflect the advanced engineering skills and the profound spiritual beliefs of the civilization. Through intricate hieroglyphs and artifacts, we get a glimpse into the lives and cultures of those who walked this land thousands of years ago. The pyramids are a testament to human ingenuity and dedication. Each stone, precisely cut and meticulously placed, contributes to their awe-inspiring grandeur. From the massive Great Pyramid of Giza to the elegant Pyramid of Khafra, the symmetry and scale of these structures continue to baffle modern architects and engineers. One of the most intriguing aspects of the pyramids is their celestial alignment. Many believe that their orientation and dimensions are connected to cosmic events, such as solstices and equinoxes. Standing in the shadows of these ancient giants during a starry night creates an almost spiritual connection to the cosmos. How were these colossal structures built without modern machinery? Theories abound, from massive ramps to intricate counterweights. Join us as we explore the ingenious construction methods that might have been employed by ancient builders, showcasing the incredible human effort that went into bringing these monuments to life. The pyramids were more than just tombs, they were intricately tied to the spiritual beliefs of the ancient Egyptians. Journey with us to nearby temples and tombs to witness the rituals, artwork, and inscriptions that shed light on the deep reverence the civilization had for life, death, and the afterlife. As we conclude our expedition through time, we stand before these architectural marvels in awe. The beauty of the pyramids is not merely in their physical form, but in the stories they tell, the mysteries they hold, and the connections they foster across generations. I hope you've been as captivated by their beauty as I have.